Welcome back to another ReachMail tutorial. After creating your mailing and identifying your audience, it is now time to send your campaign. To begin scheduling your mailing, you will navigate to the Mailings tab of your dashboard. You will then select the mailing you want to send. The Schedule button will light up green. You will also be able to select the clock icon in the Actions tab to schedule your mailing. Once you have selected Schedule, you need to select who is going to get your mailing. You will use the left navigation menu to organize your campaign for sending. From here, you can select your list. For our more advanced marketers, you also can select then any segments, tags, or suppression lists you wish to use. This personalizes your list to ensure only those that should get your mailing do. Once you have determined who should get your campaign, now it's time to decide when they will get your mailing. From the left navigation, you will select Schedule to pull up the calendar. If you are looking to send your mailing immediately, this is the default setting. Or you can select the Now button. Otherwise, you can use the calendar to set a date and time to send your campaign in the future. Once you have selected the list and picked a scheduled time for your campaign, the Continue button will light. You will select this button to finalize your campaign. Once you continue, you will then have one more chance to review all the settings for your campaign before scheduling. You can review that your list is correct, date and time is correct, and also review the mailing itself to check that it is the one you intend to send. Once you are done, you will select Confirm and Schedule to send your campaign. You will automatically be redirected to this View Scheduled page where in a few moments, your scheduled campaign will appear. You can always access this page by going to the Mailings tab, then View Scheduled. Thank you for watching! Don't forget to check out our other detailed tutorials on each step in the workflow and special features. Thank you for choosing ReachMail.